Welcome. In today's guide, we'll show you how to create a Gmail account without needing a phone number, making it easier for you to stay connected. Before we dive into the steps, let's take a quick look at the overall process of creating a Gmail account without a phone verification. Step 1 is to visit the Gmail sign-up page. You can easily find it by searching Gmail sign-up in your browser. Next, fill out your personal information, including your name and the email address you wish to create. For step 3, create a strong password and confirm it. Make sure it's something secure and memorable. In step 4, you'll notice a field for your phone number. You can skip this step, so just click Next. Step 5 allows you to provide an alternate email for recovery. This step is optional, but it can help in secure recovery of your account. In step 6, complete the rest of the information by entering your birthday and gender. Step 7 is to read through and agree to Gmail's terms and conditions. Make sure to review these before proceeding. Finally, step 8 is to click on Create Account. After this, you can customize your settings and start emailing.